This is the Lavender Mountain Daisy die set from Spellbinders. There are 3 different dies in this set, and it tells you on each die how many to cut to create one of the flowers. I like to die cut all of my pieces and store them together, and then use a little bit of ink blending to add some visual dimension to my florals and my die cuts before starting to shape them. When I go to shape them, you can use a flower shaping toolkit with a nice foam pad, or you can use your fingers. It just really depends on the mood that I'm in as to which one that I will use, as well as the look that I'm going for. Liquid glue is great for assembling floral die cuts because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room and lets you move things while that glue is drying. The center pieces for these florals are just little tiny star or 5-petal flower shapes. I just pierce them on or press them onto my foam mat to create some dimension with those, and use liquid glue on the center of my flower, and then put those onto the center or into the centers of the flower to create that center there. Once I'm done, I let that glue dry before I start to assemble my cards. I always wait until my cards are on, or my flowers are on my cards, before adding the leaves. That way I can customize exactly where those leaves go. This is a fantastic die set. I know I'm going to be using this for lots of floral cards in the future.